Hey YouTube, we're going to try out some cupcake places in New York City because Georgetown Cupcake closed in New York City, and Erica's quite crestfallen about it today, or the whole week. We're going to try out Magnolia, Sugar Sweet Sunshine Bakery, Butter Lane, and
Little Cupcake Bakeshop.
Little Cupcake Bakeshop. So stay tuned. All right, we just left Little Cupcake Bake Shop on Prince Street. We got the strawberry shortcake and the Brooklyn Blackout, and secured the goods. Let's see what it's like. All right, we're at Butter Lane in the East Village. We got a raspberry vanilla and a pistachio vanilla. They offer classes here, I think, during the week, and
Baking classes.
baking classes during the week. We got the goods, so the next spot we're gonna go to is the Sugar Sweet Sunshine Bakery, not too far from here in the Lower East Side. All right, we're here at Sugar Sweet Sunshine here in the Lower East Side. We just picked up a lemon yummy cupcake, and now we're gonna head into the West Village to check out Magnolia, last but not least. All right, last but not least, we're at Magnolia here in the West Village. We got a vanilla on vanilla, and we're gonna try it. So we're gonna go down and see which one is the best out of the four. All right, so we're back in Jersey, but this is the Little Cupcake Bake Shop. What was this?
Brooklyn Blackout.
Brooklyn Blackout.
One of their most popular.
Okay. Still, if you.
Oh yeah, that's not part of the video.
That's not part of the video. Like I said, it might be a video, another video sometime soon. Oh, this is really light. This is really light.
So Brooklyn Blackout is moist chocolate cake filled with chocolate ganache and topped with chocolate buttercream and
Okay.
butter chocolate cake crumbs on top. How is it?
Sorry, it's a little ordinary. I mean, the
Looks like
buttercream.
you need some milk.
Yeah, obviously. But buttercream isn't as like creamy. It's more like a. It tastes. The buttercream is like very foamy. The cake part is good. You know, I'm a cake person, but I don't think you'd be that crazy about this because the buttercream isn't like smooth. It's more like they spray it on. But it's all right. I give it a 7. But we've been here before.
Yeah.
Spot number 2 was Butter Lane. It was in East Village. We went there. It was really tough. They had 34 varieties of cupcakes. So we got pistachio on vanilla and raspberry on vanilla. And Erica picked this one, and I picked this one. So I'm gonna try this. As you heard earlier, that we thought Butterling was gonna be the winner. Hopefully, we don't eat crow and be wrong. So we're gonna take a look. It looks a little. I mean, visually, it looks a little dry. Feels a little dry. I don't know.
Let me see the side where you bit it.
Well,
Okay.
I wouldn't know what this is. Buttercream is better than Cupcake Bakeshop, but you can tell like this
It's dry.
it's dry.
Crumbly.
Yeah, it's a little crumbly. It's more like a shortcake. But the buttercream is good. Let me taste this pistachio. Pistachio's been like, it's probably seen better days. Probably had fresher days. It's probably middle aged. 6.5. Not really feeling this. I feel like I can bake this.
Okay.
So sorry. I mean, I want to go.
Try the raspberry.
I want to go.
Maybe that one's better. Go.
Whoa. Looks like more like the same cake, though. You see, it's crummy like this.
Dry.
It's dry. Yeah. I mean, it's probably about the same. I like the buttercream though. You know, I'm not a buttercream
Does it
person.
taste like fresh raspberry or like artificial?
It's fresh.
Yeah.
The cake part. So it's like if I could take Cupcake Bakeshop's cake part and Butterlane's icing, you'd have maybe an 8.5 type cupcake. But this is more of a 6.5 variety. Spot number 3 was Sugar Sweet Sunshine Bakery. There's 2 spots. They're on the Lower East Side. One is in Essex Market. If you guys are fans of me, you know we were in the Essex Market just a couple weeks ago with Birria Tacos. We got the lemon yummy cupcake. We weren't really fond of the packaging.
He just threw it in a paper bag.
They just threw it in a bag. You know, someone might say, "Oh, because it was just one cupcake."
You can't throw a cupcake in a.
You can't. And you see it with the next cupcake we did one, and they gave us a nice little container for it. All that being said, it was kind of preserved pretty well, despite because we had to walk about 5 or 6 blocks, get on a train, and carry about 4 or 5 other cupcakes, and Erica did a solid job with.
It survived.
Huh?
It survived.
It survived. After you said it's an art, and I was like, "You're damn Skippy, it's an art." Because I'm doing. I have many like icings just like going this way.
Well, the frosting is tipping over a little bit.
It is tipping over. Maybe it was just a period of time for the 10 minutes I carried the bag.
Ooh, cute.
Indeed. I put you onto the spot.
Yes, you did.
You were like, "Ah, that's cool." He saw his crumbs.
One of our first dates.
One of our first dates. Date, non-date, right? I thought it was a date. A little revisionist history there, but that's another time. So we see. All right.
Well, you're a lemon fan.
I'm a lemon fan, yeah. It's like you with the passion fruit. It's funny. The cake part is just maybe a plus grade better than Butterlane, but you could taste like lemon zest.
Fresh lemon
in this icing.
Okay.
The cake is probably interchangeable, but this icing, man, it's good. And you got the little crystals here. You can taste this crystals all throughout the icing. So I would say the cake is like a 7.5 with the icing. I'm not a big icing person. Icing's a 10.
Wow.
Yeah, but like you said, I'm lemon. Maybe if it was like chocolate, I'd be like 7.5. So, but so far this is winning. And I suggested this place to you years ago.
Yeah.
You were like, eh. But Georgetown's not around anymore. So.
Well, they don't have that many
Not very,
flavors.
not many flavors, but
Right.
they got a lot of vegan choices though. Vegan choices weren't eaten, but that's neither here nor there. That's not my business. I know we got vegan fans out there, but I give it an 8. You know, I've been on this place for about 10 years.
Yeah.
Solid 8. Spot number 4, and that last but not least, was Magnolia, the spot in the West Village. This is a vanilla on vanilla cake, cupcake. They really keep it really simple. They're really known for the banana bread pudding. I think they have red velvet, I think chocolate on chocolate, vanilla on chocolate, and vice versa. I haven't been here in a while. You saw it earlier in the videos. Been on the line for quite a bit. May have said something about the place that didn't really justify the line, but you know,
Yeah. It matches your shirt.
it matches my shirt. But I like how they put a container. The container was better than the Sugar Sweet Sunshine place. We just found out that we do a regular old brown paper bag for the Sugar Sweet Sunshine, and then they found out they had a stamp on it that says Sugar Sweet Sunshine, so it was cute nonetheless.
Yeah.
This looks like just feeling it, right? Just feeling it. It's definitely more moist than the others. The other 3 aren't the most moist cupcakes. Uh, just the way it feels and optically, this might be the best, but I've been wrong a lot with just the optics. Let's give it a go.
Yeah.
I wouldn't know it's vanilla. It's kind of looks like butterlane.
Mhm.
It's a sliver more moist than butterlane. Icing's kind of super sweet. Let me taste this. Sweeter than I thought. I would put it in second place. I think Sugar Sweet Sunshine won out, just given the combination. I would say this is cake, 7, icing 7.5 to 8. But this is in second place. Um, I would say Sugar Sweet Sunshine was 1. But like I said, I'm really partial to
You love
lemon.
lemon.
I love lemon. This is second. The butterlane I put in last place, and then the other spot would be third, right?
What other spot?
The other spot was
Oh, Little Cupcake Bakeshop.
Little Cupcake Bakeshop would be third.
So, Sugar Sweet Sunshine's first.
Yeah, Sugar Sweet Sunshine's first.
Magnolia second.
Magnolia second.
Little Cupcake Bakeshop's third.
Third, Butterlane fourth.
And Butterlane.
So we were completely wrong. We had Butterlane.
Butterlane, yeah, they were not that good.
It did not win. But yeah, that's the way I would go with it. I would probably go to all the places again, but that's definitely the order where I go first. So that would be my substitute for Georgetown. You know, so if you guys, let me give me your opinion, what you think. You know, like, comment, subscribe. If you liked it, let me know. If not, be nice. You know, I want to keep on scrolling and get my feelings hurt. So, talk to you soon.
And if you know any good cupcake spots, let us know.
Let us know. Yeah, it was like 10 of them, but we only had time for 4. Going to not use that. All right, we're here at, I don't know what that is. Look, I've been to Magnolia a few times. I mean, it's good, but it's not this length of line good. I mean, trust me, the juice ain't worth the squeeze.
You put the flash on, not me.
Yeah, because it's dark outside. All right, cut that. We'll use that as the outtake.